Authorization to do that? Are you allowed to drive my Casti? Well, okay. Okay, no, I'm scared. Don't break it. Oh, God. Oh boy. Well, so you can witness he killed my car.
That's not me, that's just the tyre.
Yeah.
It's good,
Okay.
that's knackered to food going to come
I
out.
still haven't drive it, and you
That's
know.
right, John gave us a spare tyre.
Welcome to us, MTA, Musik Timur Revolution.
That's the first time Mr. Rogue
It's the wind factor.
asked to drive my car so much. I think he's in love with my tie. I think he wants one now.
This one as well.
So we might ending up having a fleet of Typhoon at home. I think he's happy. I want for me. Well, I don't think I will get the chance to drive my car today. Here again. Oh boy. What can I say? Built it again. Right. How much abuse do you think this thing can take? You're proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Cool.
Front flip.